Are you looking to start a profitable newsletter business but don't know exactly where to begin? Discover these 5 simple steps to launch your successful newsletter and tap into a billion-dollar industry that is underrated by the masses. Learn how to identify a niche that aligns with your passion, define your target audience, choose the right format and frequency, create an engaging brand, and select the best email service provider. With the potential to generate substantial revenue through paid subscriptions, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, starting a newsletter business can be a lucrative venture. Do not miss out on the opportunity to provide valuable content, to build a loyal community, and to establish yourself as an authority in your chosen niche. Tune in now to unlock the secrets of launching a thriving newsletter business today. So what is a newsletter business? A newsletter business is a type of business that creates and distributes newsletters to a specific audience. Newsletters can be delivered through email, social media, or other platforms and can cover a wide range of topics, from business and finance to health and wellness. The goal of a newsletter business is to provide valuable content to its subscribers, while also generating revenue through things like sponsorships, paid subscriptions, or affiliate marketing. Starting a newsletter business can seem a little bit daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are the 5 simple steps that you need to get started. Step number 1, identify a niche. So the first step in starting this successful newsletter process is to identify a niche that aligns with your passion and your expertise. Choosing the right niche is crucial, as it will fuel your motivation and help you to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Simply start by brainstorming topics that you have both competency in and that genuinely interest you. Then consider your unique skills, experiences, and knowledge that you can leverage to provide valuable insights to your subscribers. Spend time researching the market to determine if there is a demand for your chosen niche. Look for existing newsletters, blogs, or online communities that focus on similar topics. Assess their popularity and engagement levels to gauge the potential audience size and the potential competition. Remember, it is essential to strike a balance between a niche that is specific enough to stand out, but also broad enough to attract a sufficient number of subscribers. Once you have identified your niche, then define your target audience within that niche. Narrow down your ideal subscriber profile by considering factors such as demographics, interests, and pain points. This will help you to create content that speaks more directly to their needs and their interests, making your newsletter more valuable and compelling. Step 2, target audience. Understanding your target audience is a critical step in building a successful newsletter business. This allows you to tailor your content to their needs and preferences, therefore ensuring maximum engagement and subscriber retention. To gain insights into your target audience, employ various research methods, things like surveys, interviews, and social media interactions. Start by creating a subscriber persona, essentially a fictional representation of your ideal subscriber. Consider their demographics, age, gender, location, occupation, their psychographics, interests, values, and motivations, and consider challenges they face related to your niche. This persona will serve as a great guide when developing content and making strategic decisions for your newsletter. Engage with your audience through social media platforms, online forums, and industry events. Actively participate in discussions, ask questions, ask for their feedback. This kind of interaction will not only provide valuable insight, but also help you build relationships and establish yourself as an authority in the niche that you and your subscriber enjoy. Regularly analyze data and metrics to gain a deeper understanding of your audience's preferences and of their behaviors. Pay attention to open rates, click-through rates, and feedback from your subscribers. This kind of data is valuable as it'll help you identify the types of content that resonate most with your audience, which will help guide you for your future content creation. Step 3. Format and frequency. Choosing the right format and frequency for your newsletter is crucial to ensure maximum engagement, but also to meet the expectations of your subscribers. Consider your target audience's preferences, your content creation capacity, and the goals of your newsletter business. Email newsletters are a popular and effective format, as they allow you to directly reach your subscribers' inboxes. They also provide a personalized and intimate experience, fostering a sense of connection with your audience. But you may also end up exploring other formats, such as social media newsletters or podcast newsletters, depending on your target audience's preferences and the nature of your own content. When deciding on the frequency of your newsletters, consider your content creation capabilities and the expectations of your subscribers. Weekly newsletters are often a good starting point for a lot of people, as they provide regular updates without overwhelming your audience. However, depending on your niche and the depth of the content that you provide, you may choose a bi-weekly or even monthly schedule. Consistency is a huge key, so commit to a schedule that you can realistically maintain. Experiment and gather feedback from your subscribers in order to refine your format and the frequency if needed. Conduct surveys or ask for input through social media in order to understand their preferences and expectations of your content. Adjust your approach based on the feedback received, but ensure that any and all changes align with your overall content strategy and your business goals. Step 4. Catchy brand name. In order to build a strong brand, it is essential to attract and to engage with subscribers. Your brand identity should reflect your niche, your own personality, and also the value that you provide. Follow these steps to create an exciting brand for your newsletter. Choose a catchy and memorable name that aligns with your niche. Consider incorporating relevant keywords or phrases. Brainstorm ideas and test them with friends or colleagues in order to gauge their impact and appeal. Develop a visual identity that captures the essence of your brand. Create a logo that represents your niche and resonates with your target audience. Select a color scheme and select typography that aligns with your brand's personality and conveys the desired emotions. Brand message. Craft a clear and concise, but also compelling brand message that communicates the purpose and value of your newsletter. Define your unique selling proposition, commonly seen as USP, and highlight what sets you apart from the others in your niche. Use this message consistently across your website, social media profiles, and promotional materials. Tagline or slogan. Consider creating a tagline or slogan that encapsulates the essence of your newsletter. It should be concise and memorable and convey the unique value proposition that you offer to your subscribers. Remember, your brand should be authentic and aligned with your values and your expertise. Building a strong brand takes time, so be patient and iterate as you gather feedback and refine your own approach. Step 5. Email service provider. Choosing the right email service provider, commonly seen as ESP, is crucial for managing your newsletter subscribers and delivering content efficiently. Consider these following factors when selecting an ESP. 1. Look for an ESP that offers essential features, such as list management, email automation, and analytics. List management allows you to organize and segment your subscribers, ensuring targeted content delivery. Email automation enables you to set up automated sequences, such as welcome emails or drip campaigns. Analytics provide valuable insights into subscriber engagement, open rates, click-through rates, and more. 2. Scalability. Consider the size and growth potential of your subscriber list. Ensure that the ESP can accommodate your needs as your subscriber base expands. Some ESPs offer tiered pricing plans based on the number of subscribers, so choose whatever suits your current and future requirements as best possible. 3. Deliverability is crucial to ensure your newsletters reach your subscribers' inboxes. Research and choose an ESP with a good reputation for high deliverability rates. Look for providers with robust anti-spam features and solid relationships with internet service providers. 4. Evaluate the user interface and ease of use of the ESP. The platform should be intuitive and user-friendly, enabling you to efficiently manage your subscribers and create engaging email campaigns. Consider trying out demos or free trials to assess the usability and compatibility with your workflow. Take the time to research and compare different ESPs before making a decision. Consider reading reviews, seeking recommendations, and evaluating your specific needs and budget. Choosing the right ESP will ensure smooth operations and effective communication with your subscribers. So, how much can you earn? The potential earnings in the newsletter business can vary widely, depending on your niche, audience, and monetization strategy. According to several articles, you won't make money immediately, and if you are ever successful, your income will take time to increase. You need to have a very long runway or very small expenses to make this work. However, some successful newsletter businesses, like the Agora, generate over $1 billion in revenue through their newsletters. To monetize your newsletter, consider implementing paid subscriptions, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. You can also offer exclusive content to your subscribers, making them feel special and more connected to your brand. The key to success is to provide value to your subscribers and build a loyal and engaged community. With all things considered, starting a newsletter business can be a profitable and rewarding venture. By following these simple steps and consistently delivering valuable content, you can turn your newsletter into a successful business. If you like this video, then you're in for a treat with another one, which will help you learn the secrets to financial freedom.